this video, which is the second part from the last one. This is how I will this is my plan on how I will be making money in forex and how I will be able to get some money to finance my other side hustles or my other businesses. So the first thing I'm gonna do is do link account. I've done this before where I blew 10,000 and I posted a video, you can check it out. And so now my plan is to do link accounts. Like you pay somebody a fee, they link their main account to your account and they trade on your behalf, and then you keep the profit or you split 50-50. So I came across one more guy, German God. So for him it's like 2,000 rands fee and they have a minimum of 2,000 rands in your trading account. The profit that this guy making is like, I saw recently, which was 2,000 to 15,000, and then you split the profit in between. So yeah, that's one of the ways that I'm gonna make money before the end of this year. The second one is I'm gonna get a high paying job which I'll be able to invest like at least 20% to 30% of my income. So the job is like iFly instructor. I was unfit because they wanted to do a physical test to see how fit are you, if you're able to handle the strength test, the beep test, and all that. We have endurance and all of that. So I was training like 2 weeks before the fitness test. I was doing like skipping every day while watching a movie. I was doing push-ups, burpees, and sit-ups. So yes, I passed the physical test, which went smoothly, even though I threw up afterwards. I mean, like, I'm unfit, what you expect, you know? Like the beep test was the one that's much more harder to do, because I almost gave up half of the way. I was almost done, but I just kept pushing forward because I needed the job. So I passed the fitness test, I passed the first interview, and then I passed the final interview and I was selected. There was 7 of us that got selected, and they're gonna choose 6 after the 4-week intensive training. So then once the intensive training is done, they will pick 6 people, which is either 2 girls and 4 boys, or 5 boys and 1 girl. So inshallah I'll be able to pass the test and get the position, because I'll be a licensed instructor and I'll be getting paid much more. So I'll be able to invest that money. So the places where I'm gonna invest is a place in Dubai. It's an app, it's called Get Stake or Stake. You invest like minimum of 500 dirhams, which is like 2,000 to 2,500 rands. And if you invest like the minimum, you get like dividends from the rent being paid from that property, and also your money appreciates as the property appreciates, which I think is a good concept. The company has only been around for 3 years, so I don't know how legit that is, but risk it. And then the other one is Qatar stock exchange. Like I've seen like it's very nice to invest in this stock exchange, because it's like many companies are new, like less than 10 years or something, and their stock prices are like one Qatari Riyal up to 16 Qatari Riyal per stock, per share, I mean. So I think that's a good opportunity for me to start investing like 20% of my income, 20-30% of my income. So yeah, inshallah when I get the job I'll be able to invest there. In the meantime, I need to be able to invest in this money management one, where it's like the forex thing. So yeah, let me just show you about the Qatar Stock Exchange and what the prices of the shares are like. So if you look at the Qatar National Bank, it is 15.35 Qatari Riyals per share, which is not bad. It's quite low right now, but the highest it's been is at 20. What is this? This called 23 Qatari Riyals. So I think that could be potential over there. If we look at in the last year, is down. Oh my lord. Let's see. Come load. It's down about negative 20%. That's okay. I would like to invest in that. The number of trades 1,234. I don't think many people invested in this. Year 2, not many people invested in this, only 277 trades. So I think Qatar fuel has some potential, because this is like the fuel company and stuff like that. As time goes on, fuel prices will rise and all that. The dividend yield 5.48 is okay. The highest now is like, it's what, at 16.42, and the highest it's been in 2019 was 23 That's a big difference, like 4 Qatari Riyals difference. So I think that's a good thing. And as you can see, the popular ones, Qatar National Bank, look at the prices of the shares. It's not bad. It is actually really cheap. Qatar Fuel Company 16. So these are the things that I would like to invest in. See the market cap 38 million. I would invest in this year instead of investing in Tesla and all that. I'll invest in Qatar. So yeah, inshallah end of this year I can invest like at least the minimum in all of these here. At least buy like every month, try to buy like 100 reals of shares in all of the companies, the top 5. So it's like I'll be spending 100 reals every month, invest in these companies and see how it goes, because obviously if I have a higher salary, inshallah I get it, and then I'll be able to invest in all of these stocks, 100 reals per stock minimum. So I do it at the top maybe 20, so that'd be like maybe what, 2000 reals. Yeah, so I think 2000 reals, but I would like to invest more, but I'll start off with 100 reals a month, invest in all of these things and see how it goes. So yeah, inshallah this is what I will do to make money by the end of this year. This is like my list of things that I need to accomplish. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Peace.